Good job! You made it through the interview process, and the opportunity to land your dream job is looking pretty sweet. The next step is the dreaded background check. All right, relax. There's really nothing to worry about. It's basically just a verification process to ensure that everything you've told your prospective employer is complete and accurate. The employer needs to validate information you've already provided and wants to make sure you're a good fit for the position. Also, know that by agreeing to a background check, you're allowing the employer to help ensure you don't pose a potential risk to its employees or customers, so your future workplace can remain a safe and secure environment. Here are a few ways you can help speed the process along. It starts with being prepared before the check begins. By now, you've certainly reviewed your resume and made absolutely sure everything is correct. But sometimes it's hard to remember everything about your work history, so keep a resume handy in case you're asked for specifics. And since you may not have included your former employer's addresses and phone numbers on your resume or application, look them up in advance in case you're asked for them. Same with places you've lived. Also, make sure your prospective employer knows about any other names you've used in the past, like a maiden name or a middle name. Sometimes schools or past employers don't have records available to confirm your background, or maybe they're no longer in existence. Make sure in advance that you can locate school transcripts or diplomas. If you've been self-employed or worked as a contractor, it's a good idea to pull out past paycheck stubs, 1099s, or W-2s in case they're requested. Some prospective employers may want to review your credit report. You may want to be prepared to explain the circumstances concerning any negative financial history. If the job requires you to drive for the employer, your driving records may be reviewed. It's a good idea to be prepared to discuss your motor vehicle record if your prospective employer reaches out to you. If you've provided contact information for peers or supervisors as professional references, let them know in advance that they may be called and ask that they respond promptly. The faster they respond, the faster your background check can be completed. A background check may take 2 to 4 business days to complete, but could take longer if past employers or schools are slow to respond. If you've lived, worked, or gone to school in other countries and your prospective employer wants that part of your background reviewed, more time may be necessary. If you're going in prepared, the pre-employment background check should go quickly and smoothly. Best of luck in your next job.